Hello everyone. Today's topic is means of transport or transportation. So, what is transportation? Transportation is a process of movement or transporting things, people, and goods from one place to another. Means of transport. There are mainly three means of transport: waterways, landways, and airways. Waterways means of transport. This means of transport helps in movement of goods, passengers and things from water means of transport. For example, cargo ship, boats and cruise. Tanker ships are used to carry oil and petroleum. Next one is land means of transport. So basically land means of transports are of two types: roadways and train or railways. Roadways. So depending upon the material used, roads are of two types: metal road and unmetal road. Metal road, permanent road made from tar and cement. Metal road can be used throughout the year. They are long lasting. Unmetal road, they are temporary road made from mud and soil. They are not long lasting and they cannot be used for throughout the year. These roads are difficult to travel. National highways and state highways. Some roads connect important towns and cities. They are called highways. Highways are of two types: state highways and national highways. State highways. These are roads that link important cities, towns, and districts within the state and connect them with national highways or highways of the neighbor states. National highways. They connect state capitals, big cities, and towns across the country. They are constructed and maintained by the central government. Now, railways. So, railways are one of the most cheapest, widely spread, and most commonly used modes of transport in India. In 1853, first railways in our country was run between Bombay and Thane. Earlier train was run by steam engine. These days they run on electricity. Two types of train: passenger trains and goods train. Passenger train carry people from one place to another, while good trains carry goods like petroleum, food grain, coal, etc. from one place to another. Airways means of transport. Air transport is one of the fastest mode of transport. Air transport is that which transport by air by means of aircraft, helicopter, aeroplanes, etc. Allows the movement of people and goods. The development of airways has reduced the travel time between two places. Helicopters are used for fast and emergency services. Here you can see three type of picture. One is used for the transportation of people from one place to another. One is helicopter, which is used for the emergency services and fast services, and the third one is the rocket, which is used to move from one planet to another, like we are on earth but we can go on Mars with the help of rocket. Next is, why do we need transport? We need transport to transfer goods from one place to another, transfer animals from one place to another, and transfer people from one place to another. So these are the purpose for which we need transport. Mode of transport depends upon. So, mode of transport depends upon many factors like distance, route, time, money, and physiography. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.